Imagine trying to say you're freezing, but accidentally introducing yourself as an ice-hearted villain. At a bus stop, you shiver and tell your friend, "Je suis froid." They blink because that can sound like your personality is cold, not your hands. For this everyday sensation, French doesn't use the verb for being. It uses the verb for having, plus the noun for cold. So the natural sentence is, J'ai froid. Think, not I am cold, but I have cold. Weird in English, normal in French. Recap. For body temperature, choose the have pattern. Save the be pattern for describing something or someone as cold. Follow Langwizy for French that survives real conversations. Download Langwizy and practice one tiny fix at a time.